It's like boy, ain't never doing no intro like that again. Yo, welcome back to another video. This video, you already know, in the previous video, as you see right here on the screen, yes, we're attempting to grow $50 into $1 million. This is a whole new week, and this is the week we start trading. It's Monday today. The way I'm trading, I should be trading like around 12 a.m. but I work at that time. I work overnight, so it's not really, I can't really take a trade. But I'm gonna make it work though. We're gonna make this challenge work, okay? Also, if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys do want to subscribe, we are on our road to 10K subscribers. And the video that I posted yesterday, you guys totally killed it. And when I mean y'all totally killed it, you guys likes was up there, gained the amount of subscribers. It's just kind of crazy after that video. I really appreciate that. Low key, I thought it was gonna be garbage because I haven't posted in a minute, but thank you like very much. I don't even know what to say, but besides thank you. And I really appreciate you guys. Like I said, we're trying to hit 10K, and also we're going to try to grow this $50 to $1 million. If you guys think we could do that, go ahead and comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Wish us good luck, wish praise for us, anything, you know what I'm saying? By the way, I hope you're having a great day. I hope your family's having a great day, and if you're going through a bad day, I hope you change it, make it to a great day after watching the video. So right now, these are all the pairs that I'm looking at, as you see on the screen. But let me go ahead and hop into my little analysis. So I'm trading supply and demand. I do have a SMA up, and it's on a 21 SMA. But sometimes I don't pay attention to be honest, because I do my technical analysis on this. But let me break it down to you real quick off that daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you see that we're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So basically a bearish momentum. So we had a little bullish momentum, but this came for a little retest. Now we can look for more sales back into the next zone down here. If it fails to break, we'll look for a little break and retest over here to buy into the next zone. This is the daily time frame. We'll hop down to a 4-hourly time frame, see if it's showing the same thing. So for that 4-hourly time frame, this had broke above, recontested, failed to break under, but then we had the strong bearish momentum candle right here. We broke down and go up these last 4 candles right here. Now what are we doing? Let's go down to the hourly time frame. Once again, I draw all my like support and resistance on a 4-hour. I'm marking my daily time frames with the blue lines, as you guys can see. You guys don't have to, if you guys do want to copy my colors, then you can do blue lines for daily, but you know, it's just me. Then I go down to the lower time frame, 4-hour, mark up my support and resistance area with a little box, you know what I'm saying? And then I go to my hourly time frame, but never not go there yet, because I'm gonna show you why I marked it up like this. But as you can see, this zone right here has been touched multiple times. Touch, 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 tap, tap, tap. It was once resistance, then it came support. Now it's resistance again. Now we're waiting for a break and retest. Go down to the hour time frame. You know what I'm saying? Bam, broke below, rejection. Now we're waiting for a retest off the 21 SMA, or we're just waiting for a retest off here. And then we're gonna wait for a engulfing candle, which is something like this candle right here. As you can tell, it's just engulfed it, but we're looking for like something more minor engulfing, almost like this one right here, this blue candle, like a little engulfing like that with the wick below it. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. This one draw up, come back, it'll it'll consolidate right here, and then it'll come down to the next zone, and that's when we'll place our sell around here. If it does, it's not 100% chance it does, but if it does, then that's when we'll get for a sell. Stop loss will be above the wick, whatever it creates right here, and then our take profit will be simply to right here. Or if you want to go big or go home, or be a G about it, go ahead and hit that 1 to 5 RR. You know what I'm saying? But we're just looking for take profit. We're not really looking for it to catch amount of RRs, but you know, if we do catch a 2 to 1, then I'll be fire. Or 1 to 2, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? I just got off work, so I'm not everything properly straight. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. A little simple little break and retest off that one, off of GBP, JPY. Now if we go to GBP CAD, looking for the same thing. But to here, if we go on a daily time frame, it broke all these previous lows, and these are the daily time frames. Just right. Now if we go to 4-hourly time frame, we're looking for a little bit pullback, you know, because that's the breathe. So we could potentially see more sales come back down to the next zone, or we'll be patient, wait, as you should be, and wait for a break, retest, consolidate a little bit, or engulfing, and then we can buy back to the next zone right here. Go down to the hourly time frame. I like to take my trades most likely on hourly time frame to 15-minute time frame. So if you guys do want to like mark up these time frames, I have all these favorite 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hour. I didn't fart, that was just my mouth, just in case you think I'm fart. 4 hour, 1 day, and 8 week. Those are all the time frames that I use. I really don't use a 1 minute time frame no more, but yeah. So all we will be waiting for is candles. Candles means everything. So if this plays out like this, then we'll wait for a little retest, a little consolidation, wick, engulfing to buy back to the next zone. Euro AUD is kind of sloppy, but yeah, we're gonna make it work. On a daily time frame, you see that we came back, bam, had a big selling pressure. But if we look here, this is important. If we look here, look at this rejection candle, buyers came into play. So we could look for possible buys as a flip. We could buy it up to here, or let's see if it does want to go all the way up here, but that's on the daily time frame. Remember that. You can see, came down below, just engulfed it, broke above. Now we could look for retest. If it holds a retest, then we could possibly look up for buys. So then I end up taking my trades on the hourly time frame. Depends how it goes. We contest, consolidate, look for buys. So yes, and if you do want to get a little bit into it, you could look for a little baby head and shoulder pattern right here. Bam, bam, and then it came back up. And let's see if it recontests still. Yeah, simple stuff like that. It's nothing hard. All it is take patience, just master your skills. I probably might be explaining it bad. I'm not the best explainer, but at the same time, I've only been training for a year and a couple months. So yeah, I'm going to show you that I did deposit money into this, but you know, when you trade and you do the transfer and stuff, you don't get the exact amount. I should have put more in it, but I'm gonna show you guys an account and pull it up on my computer, and I'll pull it up on both my phones real quick, just to show you that this is a real account. It's not a fake account. I don't trade fake money. Here in MetaTrader 5 opened up. Thought I deposited enough to make the requirements, but you know, it didn't. So you can see 49.30. I can see there doesn't say no demo up here. All right, no demo. Let's see, Hero FX Pro, right? If I go here, no demo, right? Right. Now if I log into a demo account, give me 1 second. If I log into a demo account, as you guys see, this one says demo. Now if I log back into the real account, it doesn't say demo. So keep that in mind. I'm not trading demo money. This is all real. So I'm not playing, you guys. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you on my other phone too. Watch. Yeah, give me 1 second, bro. What you doing today, bro? You wanna go out and chill? All right, cool. Yeah, me too. By the way, there's a thing that you could talk to each other live on YouTube, so I'm talking to you guys live. So, how you doing? Yeah, same. Anyways, yeah. So tell me why. Yeah, when I was at work. Okay, so we do have 49.30, 49.30, and then 49.30. As you guys can see, these are real accounts. Real account doesn't say demo, right? Doesn't say demo, right? Doesn't say demo. I am being 100% like see-through right now, or 100% whatever you want to call it. See-through. I can't think of the word. That's what I'm saying. See-through right now. Transparent. That is the word. I'm being 100% transparent right now with you guys. So, like I said, we're doing this real account. Yo, if you're making it this far right now, comment down below. Once I hit the mill, should I do a 10K giveaway for one person, 5K giveaway for 2 people, or a $2,500 or $2,500 or $2,500, whatever you guys call it, you know what I'm saying, wherever you're from, $2,500, $2,500, proper English, whatever. Let me know if I should do a giveaway for 4 $2,500s, 2,500s, whatever, 2 $5,000, or 1 $10,000. Alright, y'all. It is currently 11:33 a.m. and the market's about to close in a few hours. I'm really tired. I'm about to go to sleep, but there's no setup happening right now. So let's see what's happening when I wake up. I wake up around like 7 o'clock. I took a short from this candle right here, and I was looking at this, but I wasn't really too comfortable with it at the same time. Only because, and I could have targeted the next range right here. Could have been some profit. But wasn't comfortable only because I looked at the daily time frame, it closed above, or even if it broke below, it came straight back up with high bullish pressure. So in my personal opinion, everything just shot up. It didn't recontest, and I was with recontest, but guess what it didn't do? It didn't recontest. So this one the second day now. I'm gonna show y'all. You can see here that we're still on the same amount, 49.30. 49.30. I thought I placed enough money to transfer it to make it 50, but I guess the market wanted to do me dirty when I was transferring all the stuff, and it was like, nah bro, you too broke here. But yeah, as you can see, I got 49.30. 49.30, like I said, still a live account. I don't trade fake accounts, but let me show you guys what trades I'm looking at right now. So currently I am looking at GBP CAD, looking at the hourly time frame. I am looking for a break and a retest to bet back into the next zone. I am also looking at Euro AUD on the hourly time frame for a little break and retest. Well, this is a giant retest. Well, I'm looking forward to retest down here to buy into the next zone. And for here, I'm not in this trade yet, but I'm also looking to buy it back up, only because if I looked in the past for the history, it just bounced off this time zone multiple times, and yeah, big bounce offs. So we're looking for those. That's what we're looking for now. But if it doesn't, you know what I'm saying, if it just blows straight through, we're not gonna take a trade. If it comes back, closes like this, and then with an engulfing candle, we'll look to buy. But yeah, those are the main things I'm looking for right now. So I'll let you guys know when that happens. If it doesn't happen, it'll be 2 days without trading, or we'll probably catch it up later on, probably after the market closes, then open back up so we can get the swap fee. All right, y'all. It is Tuesday still, and it's currently 5:02 in Las Vegas. And we got our first entry right here on AUD CAD, and as you can see, I'm gonna show y'all right now. All these are the same account, and we're looking for buys right now to currently go into this zone or this zone up here. Even if it goes up to here, we're not really looking for like a really good ratio. We're not looking for the best ratio, but we're looking just to make profit, okay? If it consolidates right here and it struggles to break, I'm just TP right here. And if it goes all the way up here, that would be even better. We TP right there and close the day off. I'm also looking for a GBP CAD buy here once the break of structure on the hourly time frame happened, so it could confirm that is a very bullish trend to continue to go up and take another W. And if this pulls back 50% of the candle where I wanted to initially get in at, then I'm at another position to go up here, another probably 0.02 lot size, because right now I'm on a 0.03 lot size, so we gotta take a small. But my hair is looking a mess right now, and don't come for me, dog. I know my hair look like I just fought like 7 hyenas and got whooped by every single one of them. I'm gonna let this trade play out. I'm on the hourly time frame, so I kind of got to swing trade this one, or just day trade it. By the way, remember y'all, losses is, you can't dodge them, okay? Or you can if you don't enter the trade, but you got risk. You got to take risks to get the rewards. I'm gonna wait till this trade plays out. I'll update you guys probably in the next hour or so, 2 hours, you know, however it goes. But yeah, we'll see. I just now entered a second position on AUD CAD, which, like I said, I wanted to pull back at first, which is now happening. And yeah, so let's see how this rocks out. Let me just go in here, take my trade history off, so you guys can see that I entered on there. My bad, the camera's tilted sideways because I'm a tripod on. But yeah, now we're gonna wait for a little pullback, just let it consolidate real quick and let it see if it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's whatever, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm looking for. Look like we're about to lose our first trade, but it's okay. Okay, I wasn't expecting this challenge to go super smooth, and it's not gonna go super smooth. It's gonna have a lot of ups and downs, but if I do lose this trade, it probably put us around $36, which I still have room to play with to get it back up to 50. We're not gonna give up, bro. If this week starts off bad, then it is what it is. We're gonna keep on pushing like everybody else should be pushing. Trading is not the easiest thing to do in the world. Whatever you do, just keep striving for what you want in life, especially if it's trading. As long as you have proper risk management and the right strategy, then you could excel, okay? It looks like we're about to get stopped out. Now it looks like it's reversing. Now it looks like we're about to get stopped. It doesn't say, look, let me show you. I'll show you on MT5 because it moves better on MT5 versus TradingView, because that's a free one. Yeah, see, it wants to stop us out. My stop loss was right here, then it would have been stopped me out, but I put mine slightly below the candles, the wicks. So like it wants to stop us out at the same time. It looked like it doesn't, but we're going on with the trend, man. I'm going on with the trend. Look right here, we're on a strong support. Tapped multiple times, held, broke, but came straight back up, tapped. It probably could grab liquidity right here. If it does, then we get stopped out and it's sad, but if it stops us out, breaks, and just stays, it closes above, we could probably enter back in for another buy, but right now we gotta be patient. If it doesn't stop us out, then GG's, mate. But if it does, then still GG's, and we'll just wait for another setup. Okay, this is a trade update right now. Right now I'm currently playing COD, you know what I'm saying? And we're live streaming. Go ahead and follow me on Twitch. That's right here on screen right now. Yeah, you see that? Go ahead and follow me right now. Trade update. We did not get stopped out. We're currently slowing up $5 in profit. We are seeing if we get pushed back up to this area right here. If it breaks a little bit, recontest and goes back up, we're fine. We're currently floating $6-ish range, $5-6-ish. Same thing with this phone. I'll pull it up on here. I'll show you guys. We're currently floating up $6-ish. So yeah. By the way, come watch me on Twitch. Yo. I went to sleep late in the morning last night. I don't even know how you put that, bro. But then I woke up and we took a W. Now you can see is the balance is 61.32. If I go here, bam, you can see how much profit we made yesterday. $12. I know y'all was like $12 ain't nothing, but you gotta remember I'm on a small account. $12. Now we're at 61.32. Now I can see if we try to get to $70 to $80 a day. We'll take a little bite up here. Got about like right in this area. Today's another day on the charts. It is Wednesday. I'm still tired, bro. I only had like 3 hours of sleep or 2 hours. One of those, bro. Like, I don't know. I just can't go back to sleep. So focus on completing this challenge. Right now, my prediction's been like just top tier right now for my analysis and stuff. And let me show you why. If you look at my analysis that I did for AUD CAD, yeah, you remember how I said I was gonna see it go all the way up to this zone? Yeah, this is like really close. I closed out early because I was asleep. I was barely waking up, and I was like, I'm gonna just secure my profits for a little bit more buffer zone. We're still at $61.32, as you guys can see, $61.32. Yeah, I didn't take this trade because the market just opened, and I just want this to fully print out. I'm not even in this trade, but if I was, I would basically be up 1.45. I mean, that'll still be a good TP. You know what I'm saying? If I got out right there, but I'm just gonna wait for a whole new setup. But that would have been a good play right there. So right now, I'm basically hoping that if we could get this account to $100, that'll be good. But if it gets to $80, that'll still be good. That's what my main goal is, $80. But 100 is like we'll start off the next week, or we'll still get past $100 this week. But next week, if we get to $100, then I'm trying to get it to $500. But yeah, let's wait for this dub to play out, bro. I'm so tired, bro. I look like I don't even know. I look like a homeless, naked animal, bro, with no fur on him. I had enter a position on GBP JPY. Why? Because I feel like it's a buy now. From my prediction and analysis, it broke above 2 levels, created a higher high, lower high, higher high, higher low. Now we're looking for higher highs all the way back up into the zone right here. But once again, we have to see how it plays out. I entered on the hourly time frame. I had waited for a pullback, got in right here, and now we're just waiting. So I'm still around a break-even point basically, and hopefully we could get this to $80 if it plays out. So yeah, I got stopped on my trade at break-even with a little bit of loss, but you know, that's a little bit break-even. Lost 21 cents. That's fine. Why? Because I saw the news, and yeah, I had to put my stop loss to break-even. Okay, I got back into GJ. I entered in 2 positions for a 0.03 lot size for a buy, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's playing out right now. I said it was, look how it was gonna play out, like if it was in profit or something. Nah, right now we're just currently just waiting. Patience is game. Hopefully it looks for a bullish engulfing to go back up. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what the original plan was. Broke above. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Right now we're just being patient. But let's see how the game goes. I'll update you guys in a few minutes to an hour to a few hours, depending on how long it takes. It is currently 11 a.m. and yeah, this trade right here, it's been going on for a while, but you know, we're not gonna reach no big profits right now, but we're slowly trying to get up there. So we are currently in profit a little bit. Jesus Christ, this thing takes forever. Yeah, we're currently in profit by a little bit. I might just move my stop loss to break even, only because I can go like take a shower and all that. We'll grab some food for my sister. So we're currently up $11 right now, if you guys can see that. Around $72 we're up. So we started from 49.30 to 72 if I close now, but I think I'm gonna just move my stop loss to break even so it could be in a risk-free trade. I'm not gonna be at the computer really, so we're just gonna see how it runs. And I'm gonna show you guys on my phone too that we still have the same thing. So yeah, you can see on the phone we're still same thing right here, 1175 floating, 1175 still floating. So yeah, currently trade balance is $61.11 and $72.90 of equity if we close now, but we're just gonna leave it running and, you know, try to get the biggest profits as we can out of this whole trade right here. But what I'm gonna do is end up leaving my stop loss to break even, so we could be in a risky trade and we don't have to worry about that. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, go grab some food, probably vlog out, go get my hair cut, and yeah, stop by Target to see some backpacks and stuff.
A few minutes later.
So guess what, yo? Guess what? If you look at the profits where we're at right now, I'm still holding, and I got in GJ for a buy. Like I said, you guys already know all that stuff. But come over here and look at the profits. Look at this. Bam. Yeah, last time I saw it was like right here, but it was consolidating real badly in this little candle about an hour ago, or 2 hours ago. We're currently up $16-ish, flown around $77. Yeah, last time I think I saw it was like $71 or something like that. But we're gonna hold this candle. Hopefully when the market reopens, it doesn't jump and take us out. But we do have our stop loss to break even, but it can still just jump over, but like hot sight, gotcha, take all the money. Okay, what I'm about to show you right now, try not to bust, all right? Try not to bust. Yeah, boy, look out. Bro, so the ball is this height, right? And the lid is this deformed because they stack my bowl so high. And I appreciate that. All right, watch this right here. We're gonna do a quick taste test. You ready?
It's something about the girl that just makes my head.
We're climbing up to the top right now. We're currently up 80, what the heck? $18-ish range. So yeah, we're climbing to TP right now. I think I just might close here just to secure these profits, only because I know the market's gonna close and avoid swap fees. If we get to $80, we'll close it. Okay, and we're more up in profit. We're up $20-ish on this profit. If my camera wants to autofocus, on the wheel up $20.20, and we're going around $81. But I think I'm gonna close my positions now. Why? Because the market's gonna just close that. There we go. So we were looking at about a 1 to 2.2. Or however you say it, you already know what the deal is. You know, I can't complain. That was a good position right there. And we won that, so yeah, that's a W in my book. Now we're currently sitting at $80.27. Let me show you guys on my phone real quick. We're currently sitting at $80.27. As you can see on both screens, $80.27. As you can see, we're sitting at $80.27. Same for here. $80.27. Like I said, these are not screenshots, these are real, by the way. Yeah, these are real. I don't do that screenshots. By the way, I should go follow me on Instagram too, at _RROB_. Go to follow me. I took a little simple support and resistance, came back on the higher time frame, rejection multiple times, and I just took up for a buy. And that's how we got the trade. So move on to the next trade. Hopefully we can hit $100 on the next trade. If not, then it's cool. But if we end this week off with $80, then that'll be perfect. Our main goal was to hit $80, and we actually did hit $80. So we actually doubled the account. No, almost doubled the account. Doubled the account. We almost doubled the account, which is pretty good in my opinion. Started off with $49.30 really. Even though I said $50, it was really $49.30 if you guys want to get technical. But no matter what, we're still at $80.27, which is pretty good in my opinion. And we have one more day, which is tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm gonna trade that day. Anyways, I'll catch y'all tomorrow for the next trade, or later on if we do get the trade. But let's see how that goes. Okay, y'all, it is Friday, and it looks like I'm not gonna take a trade today only because the market is looking very choppy, and it doesn't have my setups, and I'm not gonna wait all the way till 2 o'clock, and that's when the market closes and doesn't open back until Sunday, 2 p.m. We ended that account on $80.27. I'm gonna show you guys right now. As you can see, we ended the account on $80.27, and that was the same as yesterday. So let me show you on my other phone for verification. As you can see, we ended the account on $80.27. If I go to the history, as you can see right here, we took a few trades, and these trades are really the same trade. So these one I took in the same time, just 2 different lot sizes, or the same lot sizes, just 2 different positions. Right here, same thing right here, and then we got stuff right here. So really, we only took about 2 trades really out this whole week. This one I got stopped out on break even, but out of the whole week, we basically take 2 trades. We ended the day off, or the end of the week off, on $80.27. A nice little start. Next week we're going to try to see if we can get it to $200 to $150 really, if we could do that. But as of right now, we're taking the time. This is going to be the end of this video and the end of this week for trading, and you can't even see me, so let me go in the sun because I know it's too dark. Anyways, if you guys are traders and you guys are new to the game, same thing with ladies. If you ladies are new to the game, just don't give up, okay? That's my little motivation speak. Don't give up, because if you give up, then most likely you will not make it, or you won't make it at all. To me personally, quitting is harder than losing. Just think about that. If you quit, then you're just done. If you lose, then you learn from your mistakes. Remember that. Without further ado, y'all, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys probably will see this Friday. Today is Friday, so this video might go up the same day. I've been editing the video while I've been going throughout the week. But yeah, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.